Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In this video, we're gonna look at how you can create a wallet for Cobo. Cobo is a crypto wallet where you can store your cryptocurrencies and buy and sell them. To create your wallet of Cobo, firstly you need to download the application on your device. After the application has been downloaded and installed on your device, then you can open it up, from where you can see an interface such like this. Now you need to click on the human icon located on the bottom right and then go over to account and security. Now this is the login page of Cobo. If you already have an account, you can log in, but if not, you'll need to click on register. Now tick any of these boxes. If you are a citizen of Singapore, then you can tick on this. If you are a citizen of the US, you can tick on the second one. If you are neither of those, you can tick on the third one. Now enter in your email address and then hit next. Next, a verification code will be sent to your email address. From your email address, you will need to type in the code that has been sent to you. After you type in the code, hit next. Now you can create a new password. The password must be at least 8 characters long, which must include capital letters, small letters, numbers and symbols. Again, retype your password. After that's done, hit next. If you do have a invitation code, you can type the code here. If not, then click on next. And just like that, you have created your wallet of Cobo. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we'll be back soon with more content similar to this. Thank you for watching.